Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on this channel, asante, meaning thank you. And if you are a returning subscriber, asante sana, thank you very much for always returning to watch my videos. If you're on this channel and you've not liked, you've not subscribed, please kindly like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so very much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something. So I'm going to draw my brows. You see my face is my natural look now. I'm going to draw. So I've always drawn my brow, and sometimes when I take a picture of myself, it looks very bold, sometimes very small. I don't know which one fits me more. You guys know I have an oval face, or would you say a long face, or oblong. So I'm going to be drawing my brows. I'm going to be doing two different things on the two different brows. So on one part I'm going to be doing the big brow, and on the other part I'm going to be doing a medium size. So you guys are going to choose. If you are team big, you let me know, and if you are team medium, you also let me know. So let's get right into this. I hope you guys can see me well. What's this looking like? Well, let's see how it goes. So this is this. Yeah, so I think I'm done with the survey now. Yeah, so I think this is the team big and this is the team small. So which one fits me best? Are you for team big or for team small? Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying till this time. Please do not forget to like this video, please share, and also if you've not subscribed, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So till I come on your screens again, you know I love you. Bye.